Welcome to English Made Simple. Improve your spoken English by listening and practicing these questions and answers. Hi, how are you?
I am fine. What about you?
I am also fine. What do you do?
I am a student.
In which class do you study?
I study in class 5.
What's your name?
My name is Michael, and what's yours?
I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Sarah.
How old are you?
I am 15 years old.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is on 20th August.
Where are you from?
I am from United States.
Where were you born?
I was born in San Diego, California.
Where do you study?
I study in Scarlet Institute.
What are you majoring in?
I am majoring in learning spoken English.
Where do you live?
I live in Florida.
Do you live alone?
No, I don't live alone.
Who do you live with?
I live with my parents.
Do you have any brother or sister?
Yes, I have one sister.
What is your address?
It's 234 Main Street, San Diego, California.
What's your phone number?
It's 2230987.
What's your email address?
It's mike234@gmail.com.
What are your favorite hobbies?
I like drawing and taking photographs.
What do you do in your free time?
I like reading and playing video games.
Do you like to listen to music?
Yes, I like listening to music.
What kind of music do you like?
I like rock and classical music.
Can you play any instrument?
Yes, I can play guitar.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
What's your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is soda.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is black.
What is your marital status?
I am single.
How many languages do you speak?
I can speak English and French.
Are you an early bird or a night owl? Thanks for watching.